I'm in London, got my beef from London.
Hey guys, my name's Ian. Welcome to Pro Lacrosse Tutorials, and today we're going to go over the basics of throwing and catching. To start, you're going to need a lacrosse stick, a ball, and either a wall or a lax ball like I have here, or someone that you can pass with. Okay, so to begin, you need to start off with right hand. So with the right hand, you're going to want to put your left hand towards the butt end of the stick. This is called the butt end right here. And you're going to put your left hand there, and you're going to put your right hand towards the bottom. A big mistake for a lot of young kids is they tend to put it at the top and they tend to catapult it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it towards a little bit low so that you can sort of follow through, and then you can sort of bring your hand up to catch and then slide it back down. Okay, so simple as that. And then another thing you see me doing a lot when I'm catching is I'm doing this thing called cradling. So cradling is another fundamental part of the game, and pretty much what you're doing when you're cradling is that you're just trying to keep the ball up high on your stick. You can't just run around like this when you have the ball. So essentially, you're cradling to do it, and it's really simple. Left hand on the butt end for the righties, and it's just take and you put your hand towards more of the top, and you're just gonna cradle. Put it towards your ear and just cradle, and then drop your hand when you're ready to throw. Catch, cradle, cradle, drop the hand and ready to throw. Catch, cradle, cradle, drop the hand and ready to go. Catch, cradle, cradle, drop the hand and ready to go. So see what I'm doing? Alright. Catch, cradle, cradle, catch, cradle, cradle, drop. Catch, cradle, cradle, Now we're going to do the left hand. So the left hand is pretty much the opposite of the right hand. So you're going to put your right hand, except not this time on the butt end, and you're going to put your left hand more towards the middle. And you're just going to follow the same step. So you're going to like cradle up high real quick, get that comfortable, and then drop, and throw. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Remember, it's not lacrosse if it ain't pro lacrosse.